Alright, that's the Dynam P51. Repainted red tails. There he goes. Oh, smooth.
Get them wheels up.
And never get back down. Yeah. Get lap.
Look at it haul ass now. Don't bad to it when it's in the airplane. I mean the air. Is that full blast?
Yeah, that's pretty scale.
Yeah. Like hop it up and down. You're doing good.
There you go. Now, that's just scale for it. There we go. Out. Landing gear, man. Good. Whoa.
Good recovery.
Whoa. 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 Crap.
Plane don't have a good history.
Landing gear, man.
Where's my gas plane? See, this thing is too weak.
Crack.
Who's making fun of my landing? Huh? How'd you like that one? That was the 1 point.
That was good.
How come this thing is beeping?
Well, but hey, thanks for
Battery
watching or something. I don't even think it broke the prop.
No,
Wow.
bit the shaft, it looks like. Maybe. Like that. Broke the tail, ejected the battery. That's it though.
Well, that's not bad.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of, got something for you.
Wasn't as bad as Alex. Wasn't as bad as poor old Alex's, that red plane. Man, he blew that thing apart and still got it together.
Oh, look here.
Hey! Look at this saw, what a mess.
Everything but part of the wing.
Golly.
I was going to put it together and I said, well, hell, if it ain't got half a wing, it ain't going to do no good to put it together, but it's all clean brakes.
Well, if you take the other half off, you got a jet car.
Well, give me the receiver back and you can have the rest of it.
Well,
and give me the, is the battery in there?
No,
Nah.
remember, there's the receiver.
Yeah, just pull the receiver out.
Everything's good on it, Rick. All you need is, they got this in the American warehouse for $109. I looked this morning.
Yeah, that's what I paid for it.
Oh, okay. But everything
There it is.
looks to be good. Except for you missing, look, you can put it back together, man.
Okay, let's see.
Look at that.
So that end piece is missing?
This end right here. You got this much of an elevator, I mean aileron. But everything broke kind of smooth.
Hey, I could box it up and I'll send it to Alex.
There you go. I mean, your nose cone, look. Your nose cone's good.
Nose cone.
Well,
What it did looked like, I mean, let us sit and analyze it.
Oh, right.
We played CSI.
CSI.
Yeah. And we think it hit coming down because that was broke off this way. That wing is broke and everything's broke. You can see that way. So you hit on your left wing when you hit that roof.
CSI, Caltech.
Kupai. Calpi analysis.
Yippee, cow patty.
But man,
Look at that.
that.
You're the dirty rotten scumbag that made
like
me
tan.
sue.
You
You should have just had more of them in there.
see those tongue depressors?
Look, it could have broke,
It didn't though.
but it
But
didn't.
it didn't. It held.
All right.
Now, that's called almost scratch proofing.
Almost. About done. All right. Alpo and seasoning.
No, that's good. You remember, one thing I told you this, Jack in the Box used to be made, used to be all about it.
Whoa, look at there.
There you
It's up.
go. It's heavy though. Uh-oh. Do you feel what I feel?
There we go.
Well, no, I don't come in that bang in that motor combination. Work.
Not any faster though. He can put a bigger prop on it.
Yeah, where's he going?
All right. We got all the video I need of that.
Cholula. I wonder if that's the owner.
You gotta be.
Okay, now I got the camera going. Let's go again.
I think I'll pass on that other one.
Well, I wouldn't open the canopy because I swear that something stinks.
I would love to have had a camera on the front of that.
Oh man.
God, man.
Wow.
That was something.
Hey, good bow. That was great.
It's fucking scary, but it was.
Let's work for a guy.
Well, when I seen it go over the trees, it was kind of
Just like that.
I was jacking with his damn curve. After all that,
Hee-yah!
The
Hoo-yah!
video's running. That's the beauty of it. He was checking some of my numbers out. They were giving us delivery date.
Yeah.
He was checking my numbers out. He said, well, you told him he's going to run this day, but I've got to.
There you go.
Maybe put the handle in the bed.
I got to say it.
Yeah, make it work.
What's the matter? Ain't gonna put them back on?
Whoa, don't your friend
I don't
go,
figure it went out.
dude.
Oh.
Okay. Good. Oh, wait a minute. What do you mean, okay? We're Chevrolet. Yeah. But your shit ain't selling because it's junk.
That's exactly right. My dad goes, why do you buy import? I said, because American shit ain't like it used to be.
What happened? The elevator?